So in this video, I'm going to show you how to refill your Copic marker with the Copic Ink Refills. Super easy to do and a great way to save, and this lasts for several markers. So here we go. You take off the cap on the wider tip. You could use tweezers. I just grab a tissue so as not to get it on my hands. Yank it out. It's open. And that's what we're going to put in the refill. This is G40 dim green. I love this color so much. So unscrew the cap. Place the tip in and just squeeze in the drops. So I think I've got a good amount. Take that brush tip again. Try not to get the Kleenex stuck in it. And then there you have it. My marker is now full and ready to use.